Good morning. I just got home from work. It is 2 minutes to 6. Got out a bit early. I got the hiccups again like I did in one of my other videos that I named Hiccups, and it got like heaps of views for some reason. I don't know why. Anyway, now that I finished work at 6 on night shift, it's gonna mean I'm gonna get a really good sleep in. So if I sleep till like 2, that's 8 hours, but I'll probably sleep till like 4, so it'll be 10 hours. Anyway, I'm over my emotional little episode last night. I'm really excited now. I was excited, but I was also, it's a bit sad that this is coming to an end, living here. But that's alright, because our new adventure of owning our own home is going to be fantastic. 29 days until we can move in. I'm not going to be counting, that's for sure. Obviously I'm going to be counting down the days. Like you wouldn't believe, I'm so excited to live in a home with Emily that's our own, that we control. I'm going to get great internet so that I can upload videos really easy. It's got NBN, it's going to be fantastic. I can't wait, it's just going to make me feel like a real adult. Excuse me, it's going to be awesome. But yeah, that's all I have to say for now. I'll film more when I wake up from my 10-hour sleep. It's going to be fantastic. I almost fell asleep so many times at work last night. It's the most tired I've ever been on night shift, and it's because normally I would sleep more on the Sunday before I start work, but I wasn't able to because of the auction. But it was well worth it because Emily and I are going to be homeowners when the home settles on the 11th of December. Unfortunately, I only managed to sleep till like 1:30 today, which means I probably got about 6 hours of sleep. So here's hoping I'll pull up alright tonight. My night at work tonight will be a little bit more interesting. I'll be a bit more active, so hopefully that keeps me awake. And I think I might do myself a favour, buy myself 2 energy drinks and a coffee on the way to work. Is that extreme? A little bit?
No, not too extreme really.
Haha. Before I leave for work, I might put all my vlogs on upload so that they all upload, but it means your internet will be really slow. Will you die?
I will probably be just fine because I will probably be wanting to sleep. I am exhausted.
Even at 9 o'clock?
I have to get up at like 5.
Okay. That's good because I'm behind, but really one of the main reasons I fall behind is I'm up to date with the editing. I think I have maybe yesterday and the day before to edit. It's just the fact that my uploads take so long, and the fact that when I'm uploading this internet, if I'm uploading a video, everything else is slow. Like I can't even use my phone because the downloads are so slow when I'm uploading. So I'm hella keen that we're moving into our new house in 29 days that we just bought. We bought a house, in case you forgot. We're going to have NBN, so we'll have probably like 40 down and 5 up, and we won't have this issue anymore. So I will be all the time up to date. And also, Emily and I have grand plans in terms of our passions. My passion's always been video and photos. Emily's passion is writing, and she's really good at it.
It's my passion.
You're good at it, shush. And we both feel as though having this house and this space that's our own is going to help a lot in terms of motivating us to work on it, especially because it's a 3-bedroom apartment. We're going to have 1 bedroom for us to sleep in, obviously, and then we're each going to take a bedroom for ourselves as our area to work on our creative pursuits. So I'm hella keen for that. I keep saying hella like I'm 12 years old. Anyway, I'm watching a documentary at the moment. It's really good. What else do I have to say? Like I said, I was really upset last night. As you could see in my video, I like cried and everything, which is funny. But I feel a lot better today. I'm so excited. We've been calling the banks and all that sort of stuff all day. Didn't go to the gym today, but I did do 1 set of my rehab exercises. I'll probably do another set before I leave for work tonight. And I'm back into the rehab because I want it to be fixed so I can run soon. I'm also packing all of my gym clothes so that I can go to the gym tomorrow after work. No excuses. I don't really care how tired I am. Sort of want to ride my motorcycle to work tonight, but I also don't want to because I think I'm pretty low on fuel. So I think I might just wait for that. Anyway, I'm going to shut up. That's all I have to say for today. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you're doing well. Take care, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.